In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Apple iPhone to your Mercedes-Benz that has the new MBUX system. If you have these style infotainment screens in your car, then this video will be perfect for you. The cars in this video will be the new C Class and EQS, but this is also relevant to all other Mercedes-Benz that has the latest generation MBUX. Please like this video and let me know in the comments what you think of this video. Also check out my other videos to learn more about the C Class and other models. Check out the link below where I show you how to use the main features of the new C Class. Subscribe if you want to see more content in the future of the new C Class and other models. Now the main infotainment screen I will show you is the EQS in this video, but if you want to see me connect an Apple iPhone to the new C Class, please scroll near to the end of the video. This video will also show you how to use Apple CarPlay and some useful tips. Also a big thank you to Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton for making this video possible. Now let's show you how to connect your mobile phone with Bluetooth to the car. To do this, you press the home button, then select phone, then select connect device. Next, I would recommend getting your phone, then go into settings, once you're in Bluetooth and it's switched on, go back to the infotainment screen, select connect to new device, then select the device name that you want to connect. So in this case, my phone's name is SP Phone. Then just wait for your phone to state a message that your Mercedes is trying to connect and pair. Here you want to just select allow. This will then allow the infotainment to get all the names from your phone to the car. And then you want to accept and start Apple CarPlay. You can decline and just use Bluetooth, but you might as well use the feature if you have it. Now you need to go back to your phone because it's just waiting for you to authorize to use Apple CarPlay. And you want to select use CarPlay. And then in a moment, Apple CarPlay will activate and you can use Apple CarPlay just with Bluetooth, which is really cool and useful. And another great feature that I love is if you ever leave your phone in the car and you switch off the car and leave, you'll get a prompt to say, don't forget your phone. I wish I had this feature in my 2016 Mercedes-Benz A-Class because I usually forget my phone when using our Apple CarPlay. And I wish mine had Bluetooth instead of connecting through a cable to use Apple CarPlay. I need to mention that you can also connect two phones to MBUX, which is very useful when you have a personal phone and a business phone. This way you'll never miss a phone call, especially an important one. It's still very easy to access MBUX as well. All you do is press the home button and then you've got access to all the main features of the car still. And if you like, you can actually create tiles and set favorites. So if you prefer Apple CarPlay being closer to the main home screen, you can just adjust accordingly. The system's very intuitive. Reminds me of my phone where you just hold down apps and then move them where you want to see them. The quickest way to access Apple CarPlay is on the top right corner of the screen. This option allows me to access Apple CarPlay quite quickly. When you select a phone, you can now make phone calls from this screen, or if you like, you can actually enter a number manually if you like. You can always use the search function if you like. You can also use Apple CarPlay. The cog just allows you to change devices or connect a new device. This tab just allows you to see what devices are currently set up, and you can also remove all devices. If you select media, here you can play whatever music you've got stored on your Bluetooth device. This is a feature that I love. So let's say you've got Apple CarPlay connected or Bluetooth connected to your infotainment system. I've got it wirelessly charging, and then I finish my drive, switch off the car. As I'm exiting the door,
excuse me, your phone is still in the car.
Now I should never forget my phone whenever I leave the car. Now this is a comment that I had in regards to skipping songs. So you can skip songs using the controls here, or even on the infotainment here. Another way to do it is by using the Hey Mercedes function. And I can either press the button here, or I can say, Hey Mercedes, skip song. Now it's skipped the song. And if I want to play the last song, I'll just say, Hey Mercedes, play the last song. And there we go. It's just that easy. Now this is a useful feature. Receive text messages and you want them to be on the infotainment screen. Instead of using Apple CarPlay, you can use MBUX. But the only way to do it is to ensure that your phone, you have to go into settings, find the car that you're connected to, and then this show notifications, that needs to be on. When that's on, you'll then be able to receive text messages on MBUX rather than using Apple CarPlay. Where you can also receive and send text messages. And I tend to just use the voice function of Hey Siri. Again, the quickest way to activate Siri is by holding down this button on the steering wheel. Now I'm going to pair my device to Bluetooth. So what I'll do, I'll put it into settings. I'll then go to Bluetooth. Make sure it's on. And now I'll go to device, connect device. So it's found my phone. All I'll do is click on SP iPhone, which is what my phone is called. I'll then get a passkey, which marries up. Click pair on the phone. And then I want to allow everything, so it can give all the information. And because my phone has Apple CarPlay, I want to actually use Apple CarPlay as well. And then you can see now I've got Apple CarPlay connected to my lovely brand new Mercedes-Benz. Got all my apps on there. MBUX is brilliant, but it's nice to have Apple CarPlay, and I can still use all of the main functions of the car. And if I want to go back to Apple CarPlay, go all the way to the end, Apple CarPlay. Just a very intuitive system. I forgot to mention you can connect another mobile phone device, but instead of selecting phone 1, you can select phone 2 and then connect through Bluetooth. This is the end of the video now. Thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe, comment if you've got any suggestions for future videos. Thank you.